It's a must that all Amazon sellers know how to call Amazon seller support when they're suspended, right? If you're suspended, how are you going to know why your appeal wasn't accepted or what to write in your appeal if you can't call Amazon Seller Central? I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to contact Amazon Seller Central if you're suspended. So just imagine you log into Amazon and you see this image that your account has been deactivated. What do? Do you write an appeal? No, the first thing you should do is call Amazon and see, okay, what are the 5 W's? The what, when, where, why, and who. What happened, right? Where did it happen? Why did it happen? What do I need to provide Amazon to get my account reinstated? Figure out the 5 W's. That's the first thing when you call Amazon. To call Amazon, all you have to do is log into your Seller Central account, even if you're deactivated, and you're going to go into the Account Health tab. Once you're in the Account Health tab, there's going to be a Call Me Now button. There's also going to be a second Call Me Now. Sometimes this button doesn't work. There's a second one, and it's going to be on your deactivation notification. It's going to be there's going to be a button that says click here, something like this, and you're going to click on it, and it's going to allow you to call Amazon support. Now, if it doesn't work, there's 2 buttons. There's going to be 2 buttons. Right now there's only one, but if you're suspended, there's going to be a second one. Now, if it doesn't work and it keeps giving you an error, you need to check out if you're an individual seller. What happened with one of our clients is our client got suspended, and we were like, hold on, we're going to call Amazon. What they did is they went into their settings and they downgraded their account to an individual seller account. When you're an individual seller and you're suspended, Amazon does not allow you to call the account health team. So you have to stay as a professional seller. If you don't stay as a professional seller, you won't be able to call Amazon and you won't be able to make a lot of listing updates that you might need to do to get your account reinstated. So that's a huge lesson learned, that you do not downgrade your account and save all this money when you are suspended on Amazon. Now let me give you an example, an exact example. So if you type in contact account health, and it's going to come up with account health support FAQ right here. You're going to click on that, and then it says account health support is a dedicated support channel for professional sellers worldwide. You need to be a professional seller. Now, it may have been different in the past, but now you're not going to be able to call Amazon if you're an individual seller, which is going to make it 1,000 times harder to get reinstated. Because if your appeal is rejected, Amazon sends some type of generic message instead of allowing you to call them and talk to a real human that tells you what to put, what extra items you need to add, what the backend team on Amazon is saying. So make sure you stay a professional on Amazon before or even after, right now, during, and after your suspension. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and if you need help selling on Amazon or getting reinstated, or need somebody that has 24 access and calling Amazon every day, that's what we do. Contact us. I hope you learned something new. Talk to you soon.